It's about to be unboxing time. Thanks again. That's why I told you when you stay ready, you gotta get ready. In that order. Alright, Crombie crew, what it do? It's your girl, and I'm back with another quick video today, guys. It's the disrespect for me. Why every time I get on this camera, somebody gotta rev their engine, or the people next door got to ride on the lawnmower, don't even cut grass. Like, make it make sense. But if you are new to the channel, guys, I am Tiffany. This is Crombie's World, and welcome back. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button, because when you stay ready, you gotta get ready. And make sure that you hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload a video. Yes, guys, we're about to open some packages, and I'm gonna take y'all with me, so stay tuned. All right, y'all. So the first package, I think I ordered this from Macy's because, what's it, Macy's? I think I ordered it from Macy's because we needed a new comforter set. Not really comforter set, but a quilt set for our bed. And it just seemed like all my other sheets and stuff like coming up missing. Like, how you missing the pillowcase go to a sheet set? How you missing the flat sheet? Like, I don't understand what's going on. I think it's something on this email stuff. You dig what I'm talking about? So let's open up this package and see what our company set looking like. I ordered this, like I said, from Macy's. We have queen size bed. Oh, city scene, full quick. Sheet set. This is just got on the back, like what is it, like whatever. I hope y'all can see that. Okay. It's from Macy's. I'll try to link it down in the description if you're interested. If you're not, I don't know. Alright, cool. So next we're gonna open up this other box right here. I think this is I ordered another makeup bag from Amazon, but I don't know if it's it, y'all. So let's see what we're working with here. Let me make sure they don't cut me better. Because comment down below, you never got a paper cut off a box. Should you call it a box cut? Or should you call it a cardboard cut? Or would it just be a paper cut? Comment down below which one that is, y'all. Because I don't know. But I know it hurt. Let's be clear. Okay, so yeah, this is my makeup bag that I ordered from Amazon. Because my other bag, I'm going to show y'all my other bag. Hold on a second. This is my little travel makeup bag, y'all. Don't judge me. Judge yourself. That's a little mask I got right there, but this part is falling apart. One of my zippers has come off and it's coming apart. See how I get ready to start busting that little thing? Oh, this one already started right here. So baby, it was time for a new one. It's just, don't try to hold on to it. Cause it don't make no sense. Just buy you new. So I purchased a new one. So let's open her up and see what she looking like. Oh, she fancy. She look like some luggage. Travel toiletry bag. She look like some luggage. So I pray she be big enough. Let's see, she got some compartments here. Oh, okay. You know, sometimes you be ordering stuff off Amazon, baby. You just be looking at the pictures. You don't know for sure if it's gonna be what you need. But this is exactly what I need. As far as somewhere to put your brushes, like in here. Your other cosmetic stuff here. Let's see what this bag on the side looks like. Let's zip her back up because she cute. They had multiple colors. I will link it in the description. No, it ain't affiliated with Amazon, but I'm gonna link it and show y'all. Oh, it's got the little hook where you can. Oh, she fancy. Oh, okay, yeah. She look like she might be bigger than that. Okay, and it has the little hook right here where you can hook it on if you need to hang it up somewhere. And yeah, that's cute. This has some pretty little hefty compartments. Once you fill it up, which I know I'm gonna fill it up, so I probably put my lipsticks right here and all my other little. Baby, she got a lot of little contraptions. Yeah, I'm gonna have to link this in the description box for y'all, because I think it says toiletry bag, but I'll be sure to link it. And it wasn't that cheap, that expensive. It might have been $12, maybe $14. I'll link it. Show y'all. I hope I can find this quilt set to link that too, because I'll link that. Okay. So this is my last box. Let me see what I can do. She's big. I think this is But sometimes I be ordering stuff, and I be forgetting. I promise. And I know I ain't the only one that's feeling that way. No, I ain't the only one that does that. Be ordering stuff, forget what you order. Oh yeah, some pillows. I did order. There's not more pillows for my bed. And these are some kind of fresh and clean, antimicrobial. Is that what you say? Pillow. But I ordered these as well from Macy's. So I ordered the quilt set and then the 2 pillows. And I think these were like $13 or maybe $14.99 for the 2 of them. So yeah. That's it, y'all. That's all we got for the unboxing today. But like I said, I will let me make sure I don't sit on this too. Stay on this side. Okay. So I will make sure that I link all of the products that I purchased in the description, because I'm trying to get into doing that, so that one day when I get my Amazon affiliation, I already know how to link everything in the description, so y'all can go grab your little something. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little impromptu little unboxing video. If you did, make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button, because when you stay ready, you gotta get ready. And make sure that you hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload a video. I'm getting ready to start uploading my videos from our spring break, because I had a lot of footage and it has to be released in multiple videos, because I ain't got the clout like that getting nobody to be watching my video for no hour. I ain't up there yet, but I'm waiting. I'm on my way up. I'm on my way up, dog. And check out your girl makeup. She be cute. She trying to learn how to do her makeup, because guess what? She got to go back into the office tomorrow. She don't want to go. It's just one day a week, but I really don't want to do that. I just want to stay at home like I have been for 2 years. I know. We're never satisfied, but it is what it is. So, all right. That's it. That's all, guys. And I'm going to catch y'all, in the next video. Hey, all right. Bye.